Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the various vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is a reminder vacancy from Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited. Here the name of post is management trainee. Qualification asked is either a graduate in arts, science, commerce, agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, management, statistics, HR or others with minimum 60% marks. Here the age limit is 30 years. There are total 50 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here your per month salary will be 60,000 for the initial year and then absorbed as administrative officer in scale 1 grade. Mode of application is online. You have to apply by 5th Feb 2023. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you that at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses which covers your technical syllabus of the exam. There are many PSU courses available as you can see on your screen, and we are keep on adding new courses for preparation. Friends, as a Republic Day offer sales, we are offering all courses at flat rupees 499 and today is the last day to grab this opportunity. So do visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start preparing for your examination. Website link and coupon code are mentioned in the description box. I wish you all the best for your exam. Friends, next vacancy is from Gale India Limited. Here the name of post is Senior Officer Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is CA or CMA. Here you need to have associate membership, or if you are applying based on your graduation, then BCom with 60% marks and MBA Finance with 65% marks is required, or BA in Economics with 60% and MBA Finance with 65% marks, or BA or BSc with Mathematics. Here you need to have 60% marks, then you are eligible to apply. Here your age limit is 28 years, number of vacancies is 23, place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience in finance or accounts department in state, central government, large private organization. Your per month pay scale will range from 60,000 to 1,80,000. You have to apply through online mode by 2nd Feb 2023. And next vacancy is from Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Name of post is manager. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Here upper age limit is 42 years. Friends, there is only one vacancy for ST category candidate. Place of posting will be in Kolkata. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 8 years of experience. Here your per month pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. You have to apply through online mode by 9th Feb 2023. Next vacancy is from Engineering Projects India Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance with minimum 55% marks in graduation. Age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is in Odisha. It's a contractual job. You need to have minimum 2 years post qualification experience in executive with minimum 1 year experience below grade in an organization of repute. For government organization, the gross pay should not be less than 3,60,000 per annum. Your per month pay scale will be 40,000 plus HRA. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 13th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Manager Grade 2. Qualification asked is same, that is CA, CMA, MBA Finance with minimum 65% marks in graduation. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 3. Place of posting is in Gujarat. It's a contractual job. Here you need to have minimum 4 years post qualification executive experience with minimum 2 years in next below grade in an organization of repute, and for government organization the gross pay should not be less than 4,80,000 per annum. Here your per month salary will be 50,000 plus HRA. You have to apply through online mode by 13th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from SJVN. Name of post is Junior Field Officer. Qualification asked is CA Inter or CMA Inter or full-time MCOM with 55%, and if you are SC, ST, PWD candidate then 50% will be sufficient. Age limit is 30 years. There are total 10 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a contractual job. There is no prior experience asked. Per month salary will be 45,000. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 12th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Mesgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Name of post is Senior Officer Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance or MMS Finance with 60% marks, or postgraduate or diploma in Management Finance with 60% marks. Age limit is 30 years. There are total 1 vacancy for ST category candidate. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. Package will be 11.18 lakhs. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 19th Feb Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from the Jute Corporation of India Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Qualification asked is BCom first class or MCom. Age limit is 35 years. There are total 4 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. It's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 2 years experience in handling commercial accounts in an PSU or large commercial organization. Here your per month pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 17th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Madras. Name of post is Assistant Manager Accounts. Qualification asked is any graduation with CA Inter or CMA Inter or CS Inter or MCom or MBA Finance. Age limit is not mentioned by them. There are 2 vacancy in Chennai. It's a contractual job and you need to have minimum 5 years of experience with at least 2 years experience in managing a team of at least 5 person. Here your per month salary will be 27,500 to 1 lakh per month. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 9th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Raichur. Name of post is Assistant Registrar. Qualification asked is postgraduate degree with at least 55% marks. Here the desirable is proficiency in Kannada language. Age limit is 45 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting will be Raichur only. Nature of employment is permanent and experience, there is no mandatory experience but desirable is you should have experience in handling administrative, legal or finance, stores and purchase or establishment matters. Here your package will be 13 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and you have to apply by 27th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from Rapco Home Finance Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager or Executive or Trainee. Here the qualification asked is any graduate, preferable BCom with minimum 50% marks. Here the age limit is 25 years and relaxation up to 30 years based upon experience is given. Friends, here the number of vacancies is not mentioned and place of posting will be Nagpur, Chandrapur and Satara. And nature of employment for Assistant Manager and Executive will be on roll, that is permanent, and trainee will be off roll. Experience required is nil and minimum 3 years of experience asked for Assistant Manager. So do keep this in mind. For Assistant Manager 3 years of experience asked. Here your per month salary for Assistant Manager is 24,000 plus incentives. For Executive 21,700 plus performance incentives and for trainee 12,500 plus performance incentives plus you will be paid other allowance also. Mode of application is you have to apply in a walk-in interview on 2nd Feb 2023 for Nagpur and 4th Feb 2023 for Pune for these posts. Friends, next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineer Consultant India Limited. Name of post is Office Assistant. Qualification asked is any graduate. Friends, age limit is not mentioned. There are total 5 vacancy in New Delhi. It's a contractual job. You need to have 2 years of experience. Here your per month salary will be 25,000. You have to apply through online mode by 9th Feb 2023. Friends, next vacancy is from National Projects Construction Corporation Limited. Name of post is Assistant Office Support in Finance. Qualification asked is BCom. Upper age limit is 40 years. There are total 2 vacancy and place of posting will be in Uttar Pradesh. Nature of employment is contractual. No prior experience asked. Here your per month salary will be 20,250 and it's a walk-in interview on 8th Feb 2023. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you find that this video might be useful, and I will see you all on the next week with all the latest updates. So thank you so much.